struggling to pay your water bill? You're not alone. Around 1 in 5 households say they currently find it difficult to afford their water bill. That number is likely to grow over the next few years as bills rise to fund improvements to services and clean up our rivers and seas. The good news is that although bills are going up, so is the amount of available support. From payment breaks to reduced charges for low-income households, there is lots of support to help you stay afloat. So make sure you're not missing out. CCW's website is packed with tips and tools on ways to save money or tap into support from your water company. Our online calculator can help you work out if you could save money by switching to a water meter. Or try our Better Off calculator to see if you could be entitled to additional benefits or support to boost your income and make it go that little bit further. Take the worry out of water bills by heading to ccw.org.uk or contact your water company. Help is waiting.